Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to design social media banner for school. If you want a free template, keep watching till the end. Now let's get started. First, let's add a photo. Click on Photos and search for School Kids. Add any photo of your choice. Now let's add a background circle. Click on Elements and add a square shape. Let's change the color of the shape. To add dots to the template, click on Elements and search Dots. Add other details as shown on the screen. Add email ID, contact number, logo. Now let's check the final output. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Click on the link and you will be redirected to this page. Now just enter your first name, email ID, and click on the Get Now button. You will get this message on the screen and email in a few minutes. After a few minutes, you will get an email. Just open the email, and you will find a button Get Access Now. You will be redirected to this page, where you will get ready to use template. Just click on Use Template. Now log into your Canva account, or if you don't have an account, just create one. Click on Edit Design. Now it's easy to edit the elements with a few clicks. You can change the color of the design, edit text, add images and many more. Just do it changes as per your choices. Done with design, you can download this design and use for your business marketing. Thank you.